So this was posted as an article, and it makes perfect sense. This is why Microsoft's going through the route of giving us a one foldable screen type phone. This is why we're seeing Galaxy Z Fold 4, Z Fold 5 upcoming be very successful. The Oppo phone being very successful, Vivo. Extra. Because everyone out there, developer-wise, is developing their optimized foldable screens around the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Obviously being the most successful foldable phone out there. They want to optimize all the softwares for that said phone. We see Google now, who owns Gmail, is now making their Gmail app optimized for the Z Fold 4/Z Fold 4 type devices. So, when the Google Pixel comes out next month, we're going to see it's already optimized for the Google Pixel Fold. So, again, like I said, this is why Microsoft's going the route they're going with when it comes to Surface Duo 3. One foldable display is because of this exact reason. Everyone is optimizing around the Z Fold 4. So, if you don't kind of get with the program and make your device like the Z Fold 4, you're going to fall behind. Because if not, and you're trying to be unique and different and creative, you're going to have to find developers who will optimize their phone or their device applications for your said device. Google, they're not going to optimize the Gmail app for any type of, optimization other than the device they're coming out with. It just wouldn't be smart for them. Could they come out and say, oh, well, we're going to optimize this application, for the Surface Duo 1 and 2? Absolutely. But Microsoft would have to pay a pretty penny for that to happen. Microsoft optimized their Outlook app for the Microsoft Surface Duo 1 and 2, and that was amazing. But a Gmail app, it would have to cost them a pretty penny for them to optimize it for their said device. So it's easier just to join the bandwagon of, okay, one foldable screen, then be different and, change up a little bit. And I think now with Google starting to get in the fold of the foldable phone, ironically enough, we might see more and more applications start to get developed and optimized for these foldable displays. And the more applications that are optimized, the more chances we could possibly see a Surface Duo 3 become successful, a Galaxy Z Fold 5 becomes successful, a Oppo phone becomes successful, and obviously the Google Pixel Fold becomes successful. So, as a whole, now that Google has joined the atmosphere, or the space, we're going to start seeing a correct direction for a lot of these applications, which obviously keeps to the success of these foldable cell phones, is the ability to, have a foldable cell phone, but still have applications that let you multitask, use the apps that you love every single day at a very high level. So, very interesting, so that's awesome to see this. And again, like you said, this kind of spells more and more information about why the Duo 3 might be a tad bit successful, but why the Google Pixel Fold is going to be very successful. And I'm going to tell you right now, I think Google Pixel Fold by the end of this year, very equal to what we see out of Samsung. I think they're going to be very similar. And I know, yes, the Google Pixel Fold has not had as many years or development as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, but a lot of what the Google Pixel Fold looks like is more or less like an Oppo Find N2 clone. So I think they might have some, information they're going off of that might not be 1000% related around the Z Fold 5. Although I think they are getting Samsung to make the displays. So this should be a very successful, cool device we are going to see moving forward. But with that being said, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and which application would you love to see truly optimized for foldable phones. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.